If England win? In the Women's World Cup, I'm most looking forward to watching England play. Well, I'll be watching the games at home on my sofa and probably with my sisters and my family. When England score, I'll be jumping up and down and screaming. I'll get so excited. If England win? If England was to win, I'd literally be so happy for the rest of the year. I wouldn't stop thinking about it really. 3 players you should be looking out for are Leah Williamson and Fran Kirby, because they're great players and they are both for England. And she won't be playing because she's injured, but Jordan Nobbs, so when she's back, make sure you look out for her. 3 countries to watch out for other than England are Brazil, Scotland and America, mostly America because they won last time. 3 reasons to be watching the World Cup is because it's really fun to watch all of the games and it's exciting. It's women's playing instead of men, so it get a bit more attention. And 3, because it's going to be the biggest World Cup for women yet. For the World Cup, I predict that England are going to win this year. I've just got a feeling. Hi, I'm Maddie and I play Zoe and Jamie Johnson. I'm going to teach you how to do the crossover flick. Step 1, just get comfortable with your kick-ups, like this. Step 2, once you're comfortable with your kick-ups, add in a crossover, like this. Step 3, once you've added the crossover in, try and flick it up with your other foot and carry on kick-ups, like this.